Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the ChatGPT limit issue on your device. So if you are getting ChatGPT limit reached, then you have already hit your message limit or you have used usage capacity of the ChatGPT. And to fix it, you just need to watch this video till the very end. Now, alright, so let's get started. So the first thing for the free users, which you need to do is that you just need to wait for reset. So free plan has a daily message limit, which automatically resets within 3 hours or the next day. So the next thing which you can do is that you just need to close the ChatGPT. So suppose if you are opening ChatGPT like this, you just need to close it. And some users only get limited errors in the app, so you just need to simply close it and open it 2-3 times, and it helps you to fix the errors. And if you're still not being able to use it like this, then you just need to open the ChatGPT and you just need to click on your profile and you just need to click on the option of logout button from here. So if multiple devices are active at the same time, then by logging out from all of the devices also helps you to fix the issue of ChatGPT limit. And if it doesn't help, then you just need to turn off the VPN. So if you have turned on your VPN on your device, then you just need to make sure to turn it off. So by turning the VPN off, if you go back to ChatGPT, you will be able to use it again without the limit issue. So that's it. That's how you can fix the ChatGPT limit issue. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.